welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing another plan with me inside my pocket planner, and this time I think I will be uploading on Sunday on Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out there. Thank you so much for everything you do. We really appreciate it. So first things first, I'm going to be decorating for May 14th till May 20th, and I'm going to be taking out these inserts just to decorate it more easily. And if you guys are curious, these inserts are from SewMuchCrafting, and they are the week on one page and with the grid, so they are for the pocket planner. And the kit that I will be using is from Karolinas Krafts, and it is called the Japanese Garden, and I am one of her PR girls, so if you guys want a discount code, don't forget to look at the description box. So I actually used this kit last week inside my Erin Condren, and I was so in love with the colors that I just wanted to use it again. So right now I'm just going over the stickers and trying to see which ones I want to use inside my pocket spread. Looking more towards using the small ones because those are the ones that fit really nicely inside this spread, since it's so tiny, if you could see the limited space I have. So I am also going to use some washi, and both of these washi's are from Michaels, just that the light blue one came in individually, and then the skinny one came in a pack. And yeah, those are all the supplies. Oh, wait, I forgot to show you guys my um gold foil stickers that I will be using, and these are from various shops, so I will be telling you where each sticker is from when I'm planning. Okay, so we're going to start off by putting down the washi. I'm going to be doing the same thing I did last week, which is just putting them on the sides and then hole punching them. So what did you guys think about my intro? I thought I needed like something basic just to introduce the videos, and I kind of like it, so let me know what you guys think. So all I'm going to be doing right now is putting down the washi, and then once I'm done, I will come back. So I always like to start off with the left side. I don't know, I just think it's more easier and just straightforward. So first of all, I'm going to take the headers and I'm just going to put them behind my hand just to have them there. And I'm going to use the priority one and the 2x one. So first I'm going to take this label just to have it there so I could put my other sticker on top, and I was trying to strain it but I couldn't, so I had to flip the thing upside down. So then I'm going to take my Remember Script foiled sticker from Sticky Sloth Designs, and I'm just going to place it right in the center. Well, at least I tried to place it in the center of the label just so it could add a little bit of foil to this side, and that's the only foil stickers I use on this side. So then I put down the priority header, and then I chose this checklist full box, and then I'm just going to place it under it, and then I'm going to take the to buy header and I'm just going to place it right under it, but leaving a little white space. So I didn't want to use the other checklist full box because it wasn't going to fit really nice. So instead I took these short mini checklist boxes and I just placed them there, and I was just checking if they were going to be the same size or not. So that is it. So as you can see, it was like super easy. So now we're going to move on to the other side and go day by day. I actually started doing Saturday first. I don't know why I didn't start on Monday. I guess I just like to put down my planning session and then go on from there. So first of all, I took this circle that came in the kit and I'm just gonna place it there. I love these circles. They are super cute, especially inside my pocket planner because they fit perfectly in between the lines. So then after I placed a circle, I decided to use the plan stickers from Karolinas Krafts. And if you guys didn't know, she also sells foil stickers. And as you just saw, I had to use my tweezers that way I don't put the stickers crooked. So then I'm going to take one of the labels, but first I'm going to put the icon on it just to make it a little bit more easier. And I took the little iron one just so I can mark on laundry day. I didn't have another of the laundry stickers, so I decided to use a little iron. So next, now we're starting on Monday. So first, I'm going to take this little checklist. So I actually had cut it in half because I was going to use it inside my iron conjure, but I didn't after all. So I just placed it right on top of the line. Then I cut off the excess on top, and then that way I could end with two hearts. And then I took this laptop sticker from Sticky Slot Designs just to mark that I'm going to be working on the computer all day long. So I'm just going to place it right there, and it looks so pretty. Now on Tuesday, I was just gonna mark that I had to work, and then oh, that we were going to get free desserts. So I just took this label. Oh my god, I love Karolina's Crafts because she gives out so many labels in her kits, like so many, and then these fit perfectly inside here. So I'm just gonna take these cute little eyeglasses with the bow from Magic Prince Co. and I'm just gonna place it like on the center of the label, but just halfway, just so it could look super cute, and I love it. I actually did the same thing for Thursday. So on the side, I'm going to take a little teardrop just to, I don't know, just to make it a little bit more different. And then I took the icon with the little muffin just because we're going to be getting free desserts, like I said, and I'm just going to place it there. And then the icon, I'm actually going to place it a little bit over the teardrop, and it looks so cute as you can see. Now on Wednesday, I wanted to mark down that I wanted to go to the post office to send something via mail. So I took this envelope sticker from Sticky Slot Designs, and then I wanted to make a list again like I did on Monday, but I didn't want to use a checklist again. So I decided to get these little dots that came in the kit, and I just placed them on the side and just to mark two things I need to do for that day. So on Thursday, I was going to put a label, but I decided to instead put that label under Friday, and it fits perfectly under the date. So I just placed the label there, and then I took another label and I placed it in the center of Thursday, and I did the same exact thing like I did on Tuesday with the little label, then the glasses, and then the teardrop and with an icon. So I'm just placing the little label there, and then I'm going to place the glasses. And I don't know if I mentioned that the glasses are from Magic Prince Co. They're super cute. I love the little bow on the side. It makes it so cute. And you could actually use these for like if you have lecture or school. I think they will be perfect for that. So then I wanted to use these little tiny skinny bows from Sticky Slot Designs, but I ended up using it afterwards. So like I was saying, I did the same exact thing as Tuesday. So I took a teardrop instead and then placed it there. And then I took an icon with a little cooking pot just because we were gonna have a barbecue lunch for work. So I just wanted to mark down that. And I still can't find a place to put this, so I just left it on my hand just so I could use it later. So now I want to mark down that I want to go see Deadpool 2. So I took this these are actually YouTube stickers from Magic Prince Co, but I'm using the class as a movie, and then I wanted to mark down my anniversary celebration. So I took this cute little foiled heart. I'm just gonna place it right in the middle of the label just so it could look so cute. Okay, so now we're going to skip over Saturday because I already did that one. So now on Sunday, I just want to mark down that I have a bill due. So I took this bill due box from the kit and I just placed it in the center of the lines, and it almost took almost all of the space. So that's when I took the little small bow from Sticky Slot Designs and I just placed it there to mark down church. And that is it. That are the main plans for next week. And yeah. So here are some of the leftover stickers that I still have left from Karolinas Crafts kit, and I still have a vast amount still. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Let me know if you guys want to see more of them. I think I'm still gonna do more because I really enjoy these because they're quick, fast, and super cute. So here's an overview, and yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit a like button, and if you guys haven't subscribed already, subscribe, and I will see you guys next week with a new plan with me. Bye. Take care.